What's up, guys? Nick with 801 Honda. It's been a while since I've done a video. This is my 2013 Civic Si FP6. Only mods currently are the excuse me, DC short ram intake, which I don't plan on keeping forever. I want to get the it's gone too cold air, and then a muffler delete. Got a 3-inch stainless steel tip there. But I got parts on the way. UPS should be here any minute now. Going to be installing the Tsudo catless downpipe, and we'll pick up the video when it gets here, and I'll show you guys that before I install it. I'm gonna get the stock one pulled off though. Alright, so it's the next day. There's the new downpipe box. It's already installed. I'll do sound clips after I install my cowl and get it all put back together. But just wanted to show Tsudo downpipe focus. But yeah, I'll get this put back together and we'll get some sound clips going. Alright, just finished up Tsudo catless downpipe install, 2013 Civic Si. Hopefully that's in a good angle. I can't really tell. So, yeah. So Tsudo catless downpipe and a 3-inch muffler delete. Stock piping otherwise. Alright, so she's up to temp. Idle's still pretty quiet. I'll hit you with some two-step videos, and then I gotta grab my laptop so I can tune it. I wasn't expecting it to be that loud. Oops. Well, to be completely fair, it's kind of drony. Not really though, it's kind of quiet in 6th gear. I'm doing about 51. Catless downpipe does have that slight whistle, and I don't know why. Apparently that's the thing on these 9th gens. I'm gonna grab my laptop, we'll throw a different tune on it. I'm just using Honda's base maps because I don't have any reason to tune for fuel at the moment. One of the plans is to get an actual cold air and then probably do a full street tune. that or do one of the E-tunes from one of the bigger guys. But I have a street tuner out here who does a really good job. Yeah, anything about like 50% throttle is just whistle. Let me grab my laptop and we'll continue this. Alright, so we're running the Honda base map with the short ram intake, cat delete, and a catback exhaust, even though I don't have a catback exhaust yet. Hopefully avoid some of the wind noise. Toyota in front of me is probably like, why are you on my butt? Stop it! At freeway speeds, I'll bet it'll be a little drony, but for a cat delete and a muffler delete, or catless downpipe rather, it doesn't sound too bad. I eventually want to get either the full race Rev 9 exhaust or the Tsudo exhaust. Try to get some out of the cab videos. You can't even hear VTEC in this damn thing. But I'll try to get some out of the cab videos and we'll go from there. More upgrades to come though. It's coming together though. Hell yeah.